Hi, Baba. Hi, how are you? Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're doing all right. We are back. How is everyone doing? How was the weekend? We are back. We are back again with another trading session. Hope everyone is doing all right. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey. Let's go. Hope everyone is doing okay. You're welcome. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. Let's move. I want to see everyone in the comment section. All right, let's go. I want to see everyone in the comment section. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining in, guys. You're so welcome. Who's this? Set up, please. The time frame is 5 seconds. Yeah, and here, the indicator settings here. And yeah, anything else? Anything about like I've missed out? I think that's all. And the others are very visible here. Time frame is 5 seconds. Unless otherwise, that's it. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. How are you? Hi. Hi, everyone. Who's this? Let me try to check it out. Hi, Jora. Hi, yes. Is this? I can't read your name. Is it Yes, sir? Hi, how are you? Hope that's how you pronounce your name. Hope you're doing alright. Hi, Kumari. Hi, how are you? You're welcome. Welcome, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yep. Give us a like and everything. Thank you so much for subscribing. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I hope you like it here. I do hope you like it here, Kumari. I do hope you like it here. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope to see you all the time. All the time. There's more. There's more. Hi, the guys. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing alright. Hope you're doing alright. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. Hi, family. How are you? Getting better. I see. I can see you're getting better. I've seen. Very good job. Well done. I've actually just seen your message like 30 minutes ago. And I was like, whoa, this is good. Let me check this out. Hi, B2K family. Hi, how are you? Which moving average? Hi, kids, buddy. I'm gonna show you. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna show you. Here. This moving averages. You want to see? Here. Here it is. That's good. Yep. That's good. We're going hard tonight. Huh? I don't know about this trade, but it's okay. Let me just put it Hi, hi. Hi, B2K. Hi, how are you doing? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Can you type EMA? What do you mean? Can I type EM? I'm using SMA. I'm using SMA. Can you type EMA? It is SMA. Hi, Jesus. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing alright. Hi, Idris. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys, and everyone. Those when you here, please and please subscribe to the channel and stick around. Give us a like, this share, and things of us. So let's go. Yo, after I adjusted my time, let me just give it a minute here. Let's see how this goes. Hi, hi, hi. All right. Things were getting ugly very, very fast. Yes, it is 10. It is 10. Yes, whatever. It is 10. Hi, Sad. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing all right. You're welcome. You're welcome. What is the thing? What app am I using? That's what you're asking. That's what you're asking. Trading app, eh? Pocket option. I was like, what is happening here? What is he asking? It's pocket option. It's pocket option. Pocket option. There is a link in my description. You can check it out. To your platform. I can use anything else, any other option to get to it. How much are we getting today? 15. 15. No, it was not. I think it was a typing error. It's a trading app, not dating app. I was also like surprised. I'm like, what? What does he mean here? It is trading app, not targeting for 15, and then we do other things. That's very good. Pocket option. I will not even lie to you. It's not that bad like people say it is actually. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's an okay one. I've seen people use it and it's working very well for them. So all I can say it is okay. Let's go. Okay, so did I replace your question? I think I did. It's Apple. Not really. I don't think I don't think that's correct. That's not true. That's not true. I don't know what way you tried, but it's not true. I feel like all of them are like that. If I tell you don't know what to do, okay, you might not know you might know what to do. I don't know, but they're all disappointing. There is nothing that is 100% guaranteed, but it is okay. I swear it is okay. I don't know. Maybe it's just my view. Hi, Glo. Is it Mr. Chief Glo? Hi, how are you? How are you doing? That's why I was like, yeah, I'm going to be able to open. I'm gonna have a different approach to the market. I'm going to opening more than one trade. I don't know what happened. I'm back to the OG. Doing support and resistance. Yeah, that is my strategy. I buy at resistance and I buy at support. See that resistance. Hi. Hi, Dennis. Hi, how are you? Victor, how are you doing? Hi, Potter. Hi, how are you? Been a while. Hope you're doing alright. Huh? How was your Monday? What day? The what's still a week? Thank you. That's from you can see how official I look. I think it's very for us to trade on Monday, right? Monday is a very hard day for me. Because I fight for you. For me, Me, I don't know. It's never a beautiful day. This days, okay, other days are always good, but this is never a beautiful one. So I'll never say it has started well for me. I'm still in the weekend mode and all that. So very sleep deprived, very weak. So it has never been a good day for me. A lot of work and a very big schedule. So Monday is worse. That's why it's so rare for us to be like very, very rare. I really need to come. I really need to come there. Let me tell you, I don't know. I would love to come there. I don't even know how I can explain to you. You don't know. You don't, I can't explain it to you in words. I just have to show you how much I would love there. I'm so honest. Hi Gongchen, hi Hawaii. I can't read your comments unless I try to translate and see what you're saying. How many years? 3 and some months to go. Yeah, 3 though. I'm trying to translate your comments here. Just a minute. Let me try. What is this? Oh, it's pocket options, binary options trading. Hi, Doug. Is it Doug? Hi, Doug. So, hi, how are you? Yeah, this is binary options trading. That's what you're asking. Hi, Poncho. Hi, how are you? Hi, Zain. Hi, how are you? You're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. How do I do a good entry? It is a very, you just have to have a very good strategy, really master and practice. And yeah, I feel like if you're wandering around with strategies, that's gonna confuse you. But get a good one and try to practice on it to do you wonders. Actually, thought I'm gonna lose this trade. To be honest, I thought I'm gonna lose it. I don't know how we made it through. I honestly thought it's gonna be a loss. Surprise, surprise. Hi, Sa. Is it Sa? I don't know. Let me try to see here. Hi, San. Hey, how are you? Today I've talked a lot at work. My voice is very, very low. Hi. I missed on this one. It's too late. Let me wait for the resistance when it comes back. I'm gonna explain it to you. Just a minute. So here is support and resistance. Let me just a minute. I want to show you how it works. Just a minute. I don't know why every time I try to explain it, whenever I place a trade at where I expect it to like bounce down or something like that, I always lose. I don't know why. Every time I try to explain, I don't know why. Whenever I'm not like trying to tell about it, I'm doing well. When I'm trying to explain, it comes out negative. Hi. Hi Annie. Hi, how are you? I'm doing alright. Hope you're doing alright too. Hi Inner Peace. How are you? You've not missed. How have you missed yet? You're here. Actually, we've just begun. It's not yet even like 1 hour in. Something like 30 minutes. So you're still here with us. Still on time. I see. I also see it's pretty a good market day. So let me try to exploit it as much as I can. As much as I can. It is good. I want us to do 15. I don't know if we shall be able to do 15 today. These days, I don't play games. Unfortunately, you can't. Reason being, if at all I'm streaming, there is a delay, a little bit of delay. So I'll seem like mine is a little bit backward. So that's a problem. We can't trade at the same time unless there is someone who was trading along with me. I don't know how they used to do it. I tried to tell him to explain to me, but I don't know how they did it. But yeah, you can. So hi Fahana, how are you? You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. That's some good progress. I do tell. I can tell. I can tell. It is too visible from when we began. You can clearly see it. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Actually, it had skipped my mind. I'm sorry about that. You're asking about so. So at this point, I'm trying to do continuation because I don't have very good support and resistance points. That's why I can't find a very good point to explain to you. It is it is not hard. You just have to accept and like understand. Just be like, you know what, that is expected. I'm here to either win or lose. So either way, when I win, it's well. When I lose, it's also well. So about that is you see how these candles move. If you've had like 3 to 4 consecutive maybe bearish, and then there is a bullish in between that one, and then there is another consecutive bullish again. So you understand? Okay, let me try to explain in terms of colors. Like there is red, then the green one. Then it's always beginning with red, just in the same direction. You then sell. You understand? And the opposite also. If it is green, then one red one, and then it's continuing with green in the same direction. You buy. That is how continuation works. You understand? But it doesn't have to be different directions. Same direction, like 3 greens or 4, then one red, and then green again, like here. You buy, and it's continuation. That is how it works. Because I'm not seeing very good support and resistance points, I would love to explain to you, but I'm not seeing them. Unless you're so patient. So I understand how it works. Yeah. Yeah. But they have to be the same direction, not different direction. Like it's an uptrend well, downtrend well. That is how it works. Hi Inspires, hi, how are you? It also applies now like here, and then it continues red after only one. But that's a continuation. You can sell. That has to be either an up downtrend you're selling, uptrend you're buying. Hi Reese, hi, how are you? Is it Reese? That's how it works. But it has to be same direction. And that's here. It's three. Here it is. How are you? Did you get that? But that's not so reliable. That's why I rely on the other one. But the market is not very favorable for that. Salu, hi, how are you? I'm sorry about that. Let's proceed. Hi, Axis. Alui. Hi, how are you? Hi, Omule. Hi, how are you? Hi, James. Hi, how are you? You're welcome. I actually missed on this one. I've been up at zoned out. Okay, now this is where we're gonna. Oh no no, yeah. Our resistance. You see where this market is moving back down, eh? This point, but has to be repeated. Has to be like it has happened more than once. At that particular point, it bounces back down first, and then again that is where our resistance is, and then you're going to sell. And also that applies to support, where our market has been bouncing back up, but repeatedly more than once. I don't know if it will here. Let's wait. First, wait for this structure, and then we wait for the next one. Okay, I'm gonna show you the indicator settings. Just a minute. Let's first wait for this one to drop, and then we see if it will bounce back up. If it does, then we shall buy. But if it doesn't, then we're tricked. Actually, didn't. It didn't.
We represent for the Lords of Yards and Caladona Field of Much. From them afar in a kitchen yard, give me fire, make me thunder.
Okay, there. Hope that's okay. I actually made a mistake here. I don't know why I placed that one. I don't know why I bought. It's where. It's where. If that's what you're asking, it's where. Actually, so that's coming. It was very, it was a clear downtrend. It's okay.
We six them all to them call me. I'm the girls them sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. One leg, one floor against wall. We six them all to them call me.
All right.
Sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. We're here. Don't be here. Remove your hand away. I'm in the run. Stick it to Johnny. We down. Who that the heart we wide. Can it be a question from the guy? So how you walk so shy? Me no make it on me the like a blind. Why? Just to raise your foot up high. Cause I believe you can fly straight to the sky. You can be between your time. You know what, man? I'm a rapping guy. If you and I ever not to die, shy. When you stop it, then you reply. Bite your lips and close your eyes. Come, one leg, one floor against wall. We sex them all to them call me. I'm the girls and sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. One bed, one floor against the wall. We sex them all to them call me. I'm the girls and sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. I put a house on my mom. Look what here I mean I'm going down. I put a house on my mom. Look what here I mean I'm going down.
Okay, let's go. Hi Rashid, hi, how are you? You're welcome. Very, very welcome. Hi, James. Hi, how are you? Thank you. For that time, I'm good. Time from is 5 seconds. Just 5 seconds, okay? That's what you're asking, right? Oh my god. I'm so wrong for this, but what should I do? I'm so wrong for this. Oh no, it's gonna be a total loss. So that's coming. I had to actually make us give it a break and see. Swear, just kidding. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to look for where I can place that trade. I don't see it. I don't know how the market is moving right now. I'm waiting. Let me just keep waiting a little bit more. Are you ever waiting until like now? When you're about to place one and then you see here. I hate it when I'm having a side trade. Okay, that's good. Thank you. I love it too. I love you too, Franklin. Thank you so much. Hi, Rawal. Hi, how are you doing? Hi. Hi Ninang. Hi Sado. Hi how are you? And why am I stuck at 10? I've been at 10 for long. Okay. Hi Gabriel. When two consecutive candidates in the same color, you trail the next one. No, they don't have to be two. They have to be more than two, like three, four. Then a different one. Then if at all it proceeds with the same color after just one different one in the same direction. Okay. Yeah, in the same direction. It has to be more than two. It can be three. Then a different one. Then if it's red, red of course has to be moving down. Red, one, then red again. Proceeding down, that's when you sell. That's it. That is the continuation. Now, like here, but you have to have a very limited time expiry time. Doesn't have to be so long like mine because you might miss it out. I'll profit it by yeah, it's okay. Oh, hi, Gobre, hi, how are you? Hi, entertainment, eh? Yeah, continuation is good, but also yeah, like everything depends on how the market is moving. There is a day I will wait for like 30 minutes to be able to place your trade. So I'm getting hungry very fast. My voice is too low. I've over talked when it's money. That's why I don't really trade on money. Money is very tiresome for me at home. So by the time I come back, I can't talk. But just because I spent many days without trading, and then I have donations, I was like, let me trade today. I didn't trade yesterday, the other day. Like, let me come on trade, but Mondays are terrible for me. That's why I don't like Sunday evenings and Mondays. Not even I'm always thinking about Monday. Oh my gosh. Hi, Jelly Ma'am. Hi, how are you? By the guys, like I said, it's better if for us to talk on Telegram. It's better for us to be communicating when I'm live. Because when I'm live, I do check the Telegram because I like sometimes I be checking for the wallets, depositing money, checking for their wallets, confirming their IDs. So I'm always on and off Telegram. This is the best time. But after that, I rarely engage. On Telegram. So that's why it's always best for us to talk when we are trading here. Okay, starting capture if you want to. What do you mean? What do you mean? There is nothing like you have to have this when you want to trade on pocket options. You just trade with anything. Okay, let's go. Let's move. Let's move. I just want us to make 15K, but I don't know. This really takes a lot of time. What? A lot of time. Hi, Jerry. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hi, hi, hi. Is this right? Hi, how are you? Hi, Caspian. It's okay. It's well. Take your time. Take your time with it. No rush. Have a lunch for this amount, but you make this amount within 30 minutes. What do you mean? My strategy is what and resistance. You have a lunch within 30 minutes. I don't understand what you mean. Who is this one? Lover boy. I don't get it. Try to explain. Try to clarify a little bit. What do you mean? Hmm? Strategy support and resistance. Eh? Let's go. Guys, I'm trying, but now I'm getting bored. When I get bored, I start losing. Should I just switch to nations and do those? Sometimes I get bored with this personal trading and I just want to stop there or do something else. That's why I enjoy this leadership party. Like it keeps me on my toes. But this one, I get bored. I'm just tired. I really get bored. Let me try to see. What time frame is it? Can you tell me? No, it's not secret. It's 5 seconds. It's 5 seconds. It's not secret. I'm bored. I'm bored. Let's finish up. We do these donations here. I hate Monday. I'm always exhausted. When do I buy or sell? I buy at support. I sell at resistance. I sell at resistance. Oh, that's what happens when I'm. Let me try to look for a list. It's been a while, so that's the problem. Okay, this is a very good. Just a minute. Oh my god, this is a very. The way the candles are moving, I'm expecting the continuation here. I don't know if it will work. A very good example, but the problem is you have to have a very short expiry time for you to be able to use this thing. You have something like 10 seconds. That's why it holds. But when you have a very long expiry time and a very short time frame, the continuation won't do for you. Because the next continuation might be a little bit shorter, something like 10 seconds, 6 seconds, always. And then you miss out on it. Yeah. But continuation is really good if you're patient to the market. Very good. Like the losses are so limited with it, unless otherwise. You know how tricky the market can get, but it's really good. Hi, boy. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hi, Kai. One thing I realized is very rare for me to get a continuation on a I don't know. I always get it when it comes to selling. Rare. Um, for these commodities on pocket options, they always have a fixed how is it called? A fixed payout. So whatever amount you're trading, it has a fixed payout. Now the payout of gold right now is 88%. So if at all I'm trading 300, my payout will be 564. Now, for example, if I do just a minute. Now, for example, if I do increase it to yes, it's 88% of the amount, 88% of 300, and then you add it to 300. Now, if at all it is like 600, The payout is this. You understand? It will increase. Just 68% of 600 of your trading amount, and then you add it to your trading amount. That is going to be your percentage payout. That's how it works. So, yeah, that is how it works. My chemistry is flowing, and you cause a chain reaction. Do you understand that payout thing? It's always fixed with when it comes to this commodity. Now, gold OTC is already that. Okay, it can go to 80, but for me, I'm trading VIP. That's why it's 88%. Yeah, they always have a fix. No, yeah. I hope you understand it. Let's go back. I'm using pocket option. Thank you so much. Yeah, sometimes I can't type, but yeah. Hi, you guys. Can you teach us how to treat like But guys, I do try. I do try to like explain. I really try to explain. I really try to explain. Yes, 15K. Actually, I hadn't even realized I hit 15K. I don't know where my mind is. My mind was so focused on the market that I even forgot I reached my target. Okay, guys. So let's try to do the donations and we get done with that today. With today's trading. I don't know why I'm so lazy tonight. I don't know why. So lazy. Tomorrow is like that. Hi, Islam. Hi, Manish. Thank you so much. So much love to you. Last time. Is it last time? So much love to you too. App name Simon. See, no, is it not? It is a pocket option. There is a link in my description. You can check it out. Check it out. I don't really have classes. I don't have classes. I only try to put like 2 hours a day, and I only do it when you're live here. So I don't have classes. I'm trying to find the donation list. I'm not seeing it. We might go tonight to that day. It's been a while, so I don't really want to disappoint you guys. But oh, I'm tired. Next, to Hi, Fruits. How are you? Hi, Muksam. Is it Muksam? I can't read your name. Sometimes it's so hard. Is it Muksam? Is it Max? I really can't. But hi, how are you? I'm trying to do it. Let me keep proceeding here. Okay, now here we're very good at support and resistance getting better. This is very good. Getting so good. Let me wait for this. Very good support and resistance. You can feel it moving perfect. Okay, those who are asking about support and resistance, you can clearly see here the market is bouncing back at this point and also bouncing back at this point, even down, bouncing up at almost similar points, almost the same points, right? So this really shows where you can place your trade. It has to be repeated. It has to be repeated here. Okay, now like here, I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna buy. Look at bounce back at this point. So I expect it to bounce back again after this point. That's why our support is. That's why I'm now buying. So you can clearly see. You can see. But I have a high expiry time. I don't know if it will be the expiry time. So you understand it? I bounce back at this point and also at the same next one. So that's why you saw me like that's how we call support and resistance. My house bill, how much? Even $50. You can begin with even $50. And with time, it takes some time. It's not like you don't wake up and feel like you're perfecting, but it'll take you time. With time, you'll see the progress. Yeah. She said, I'm only going to do that before WABs. Who sent in like on Saturday and a Friday only because our time is. Hi, what now? Hi, how are you? Hi, good for how are you? Hi, Moshin. How are you doing? Hi, Rufus. Hi, how are you? Come on, sorry about that. Let's move. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, I'm here. Let's proceed. Ay, let's go. Wow, I'm losing now. Today has been so good. If I tell you, your what? Your how like I was saying, it was so good. If I told you your strategy is continuation, today is a very good day for you. I can clearly see it here. If you want to trade with me, it's 300. 300. Yeah, 300. Can you make an entry based on candles? I've been trying to explain this. You can clearly make your entry based on candles. Like I've been saying the continuation strategy. Yeah, also based on candles. So yeah, 300 is a lot. Really. Yeah, that's why I put the 300. It's a lot. I want it to be a lot. Okay, that's not a deal. I don't want it to be a lot. But with trading is risky, right? It is trying to try out your luck. And most except so if at all you feel like 300 is a lot, it is less risk. Like you don't risk your money if at all you feel like it's a lot. But if I thought it was like 100, you would just be risking 100 all the time. Which is not a good thing for you. So when I put it high, if someone is able to send 300 to you, that means, and for me, I really encourage you not to send in money if I told you that that's the last money for you, like risking it, playing games with it. You understand? That's why I'm like you can give it a try if at all. Like you have enough for new, but sending in your last money is risky. Trading is very super superstitious, very very superstitious. The more in need, like the more you are in need, the more you make losses. That's it. The more you're desperate when you're trading, the more losses you're gonna make, and that is how it is. That is how trading is. The more you're desperate, the more you're going to lose all the time. Lot size if you fund 300. It depends. The payout of 300 is 564. You understand? So 565, 64, that is the first try. So if I told you also going to trade your 564 again, you'll see that 88% of 564. And it depends on you, like it's upon you how much you want, how many times. For me, I can even go up to 10 times. I don't mind because that's the game for me. Have no problem. So it is up to you. Though I discourage trading until like those 10 times because you know how risky it can be. You cannot, it's very rare for me to place 10 consecutive positive trades. That's why I'm like, keep it minimal. Keep it like 3 to 4 at max. Yeah. But it is up to you. You can be like, you make it 10K. You can make it 15K. It is positive. I'm sending you 15K. If you made it, if you didn't, should I? So it is up to you always. I don't have a lot of time. That's the problem. This okay for trades. I always hope my first trades are always positive. Keeps me motivated. But if until I lose on the first one, I will be motivated. So anyway, okay. Hi Omam. Hi Torin. One more, then we go. I do love this. Enjoy this these days. One more, then we go. But the only people I'm gonna, guys, the only people I'm gonna trade for are the ones who sent on Friday and Saturday. For yesterday and today, our time won't be like there's only like 4 or 5. Our time won't be enough. So our time won't be enough. So we shall just go with that. Yes, I do love old school music. I don't feel the new music. Most especially when it comes to dance hall, the old music is fire. But the new one, I did love the new one, but moment like just in the moment, I could love it for like the first 1 month it is out, the next month I'm done with it. Yes, please. Yes, please, Bright. Two times. Let's go. Now, support and resistance. But all this, when I'm trading donations, I use every strategy I know in my head. Every strategy. You'll see me use pullbacks. You'll see me use everything. Oh no. This is my first one. Right. Yeah, it's only my second Telegram. This was my first trade. True into my day. Gosh. I know, it's a loss. And it was my first one. I'm so sad about it. It's okay. Let me just go for the next one. Hope it's a positive one. This is drift, eh? Let's go for drift. Actually, like I said, otherwise, if you feel like you need for me to trade for you today, please send me a message on Telegram right now, so that I can fix you somewhere. I'll check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Hi, hi, Joseph. Hi, how are you? Gosh. Okay, that's one. Wait, what subscribe is covering? Just a minute. Let me try to see. Is that what's up? Let's go. This is like three. Please be posted. Mm. This is our last one. This is my song. What's up, Brian? How are you? I'm sorry about that. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. Actually, I thought about you when I just began this live. I was thinking about you. Hi, Money. Hi, how are you? What's wrong with the subscribe sign? I don't see any problem. Let me try to look into YouTube using another account. Just a minute. Well, I don't have the same problem. What do you mean the subscribe sign is I don't see a problem here. Hi Ahmed. I don't understand what you mean. You can how do I call it? You can go full screen, but I don't see any problem. I'm doing alright. I'm faring. How are you doing? How are you doing? I thought about you at the beginning of the live, by the way. To be honest with you, I really didn't think about you. So then I do like three more people. And go. How am I so young? Guys, I'm not young actually. I don't know how to convince people. I'm not actually young. I think I just lost weight because of school and all that. I'm pretty not young, though I look young. So funny how I saw you. How can you explain why someone is young? Okay, if I tell I was young, how would I explain why am I young? Like, it's funny. Okay, let me save this money. I was looking for the wallet. Please be positive. Today I've used a lot of continuation, by the way, guys. Have you realized that I've used more continuation than support and resistance today? This is with continuation. This is how it works. Like if I sort of been having, for example, like our previous structure here, you like you see you have a like green, then one red when it is one, and then green again. That is continuation. You do buy in that direction. You do place your trade in the direction of the market. Like also if it's moving downwards and then we appear to have a green here, then in the next trade you can sell. I'm not young actually. I'm 25. I'm 25. I look young. I think because I lost weight. Yeah, I lost some weight. And yeah, school, and that's all. But I'm not young. How young are you? How old? Very disrespectful. It is how old? No, 20, 5. 5, not, yeah, 2 5, not 55, not 35. Yeah, finally. Finally, I recovered. I recovered because I wouldn't whip for long. You whip and then leave it alone and continue with life. I'm feeling better. I'm all good. I don't know what's wrong with me. Eh? I think yeah, I made a mistake actually. It was supposed to be only 2 tries. It was supposed to be only 2 tries. I get lucky, but I saw it's supposed to be only. What do you mean? How God is up there? I'm only going to do like these last two, then we go. So, I think Stefan, when it comes to nations, he's not I feel like it's very rare for him to make a loss. I don't know how lucky it's very rare for Stefan to make a loss. I realize that that's why you're playing this hard. I'm afraid for him, like the time I'm seeing you, and when he just began the nations, I used to trade for him all the time. It's too mad. Hi, Ogon. Hi, how are you? Is it gold OTC or gold? Just gold? What you're trading? Maybe you're trading gold alone. I'm trading OTC. Is it OTC? And are we trading the same platform? Are you trading binary option? Okay. Hi, David. This is like her again. And I don't know. I don't know what's your trade. It's good OTC. It's going up. It's going down. Mine is up. I don't know. Is anyone else trading? How is the gold moving? Let me try to refresh and see. Tired. These are gonna be the last two. Then we call it a day. Who else is trading today? Is your gold down? Today I don't have a specific strategy. I don't have a specific strategy to be honest. I'm doing every strategy I know in my head. What is going down? Oh Lord, because it has just begun moving down. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. How long will this money take to please be positive? This is a lot of money to lose to the platform, to the broker. Oh my god, please, please, please. Yeah, gosh. Oh my god. Oh no, I lost 11K. I saw this car. This was a lot of money. These brokers can't do you good. This was a lot of money. A lot of money. You can't win 21K in a one trade. No broker can allow that. No broker can allow that. Whoa. Okay. You know why I can't do it again? Because this is too much money. It is 3K. It's hard for me to refund. I can refund like 300. I can trade again for like $300, but I can't refund 3K on three tries. Three tries after 3K. That is too much. Like it's so hard. It is very, very, very rare for a binary option broker to be able to place a trade of more than 10K and win it. It's very, very hard. No matter how good you are, it is really hard. It was 3K at three tries. They didn't, it is too risky, yeah? It's too risky. It's too risky. I feel that though. Let me try this one, then we call it a night. I'm actually even tired. This is, it is good. Yes, it is binary options. Hi guys, I think I'll stop here. I felt that money I lost on this one. I can't proceed. Let's stop here. Let us stop here. Let us stop here. It was a good session though. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Yep. Enough. Let's go, guys. That is all for tonight. That is all. That is enough for tonight. Anyway, guys, have a good night. Have a good day. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Let me go and weep and cry about this word, about Stefani's trade. I still feel it to the core. Like, yeah, I'm really shaking. I lost 11K. I lost 11K. You know what that means? It's okay though. Have a good night. Have a good day. I hope to see you again.